Alright, so when I turn this on, it sounds like something's ticking, and I don't know what it is. So here's what it sounds like. Every time I engage the throttle, well, not every time, but it sounds like a ticking noise. But when I engage the throttle, it sounds like something pops or snaps back. Not necessarily a popping noise, but it's like a click noise when I let go of the, like after it starts to rev down a little bit. So I'll try to let you listen to that.